Digestion Primary 4, Miss Hiba Ahmed is with you. Today we will take which system? Can you see? Yes, that's the digestive system. At the first, why we eat? We eat to get what? Very good, to get the energy. Very good. Why we need the energy? To move, to talk, and to allow our body to do its functions like heartbeats, like breathing, like thinking. All of this need what? Need energy, and to get energy we must eat food. And which system digests the food? It's the digestive system. The digestive system also digests the food and allow the body to get the nutrients from the food. What is the meaning of that? Do you know what is the nutrients? We take it in primary 3. The nutrients are carbohydrates, proteins, vitamins and minerals, fats. Right? Okay. Can you see in this picture this sweet meal? Okay. We have here a perfect meal. We have here chicken, salad, vegetable and rice. Can you tell me the chicken is which type of the food? Yes, it's protein. And the salad, vitamins and minerals. And the rice, it's carbohydrate. Very good. Okay. How? Let's start with the piece of chicken. How we will eat this piece of a chicken? The body get the protein from this piece of a chicken. This piece of a chicken consists of what? Muscles, tissues, cells, and also protein. Right? How we can get only the protein from the chicken? That's the rule of the digestive system. The digestive system breaking down the food into simple form to get the nutrient. Here, the piece of chicken, the digestive system breaking down the piece of chicken to tissues, cells, muscles and protein to allow the body to get the protein and get benefit from it and build our muscle with the protein. So, what is the digestion? It's a breaking down of food to get the nutrients from it. Okay? And the same is happened in this vegetable salad. Vegetable salad, it consists which type of the nutrients? Very good. Vitamins and minerals. Okay? It just contains vitamins and minerals? No, it contains what? Tissues and cells. How we get vitamins and minerals from it? By examining the digestive system. So the digestive system breaking down these vegetables, okay, and make the and separate the vitamins, the minerals, the tissues and the cells, and allow the body to get the vitamins and minerals to get benefit from it. So one more time, what is the digestion primary for? It's the breaking down of the food. Can you see? This is a large part of the food, of the protein. The digestive system breaking down it into simple form, then a simpler form to get the nutrients from it. Let's know the structure of the digestive system. The digestive system is consists of mouth, pharynx, esophagus, mouth, pharynx, esophagus, stomach, small intestine, large intestine, and anus. So digestive system in human started with mouth and ended with anus. Okay? Okay. Now, let's know the function of each part of the digestive system. Tell me, the digestive system started with the mouth. Very good. Okay, so the digestion process started in the mouth. What can I find in the mouth? I can find what? What is this? Teeth. Very good. And tongue. Do you know that the liquid inside your mouth is called saliva? We take it in primary 3. So, we can find in the mouth teeth, tongue, and saliva. Can you tell me what is the job or the function of the teeth? Yes, it's cutting the food into small pieces or grinding the food. Grinding the food meaning cutting the food into small pieces. Okay? Then the saliva. What is the function of the saliva? It's with the food because it's liquid. This liquid with the food. See the tongue. What is the function of the tongue? when you showing the food, the tongue is moving inside your mouth, right? Right. Why? Why the tongue is moving inside your mouth? To mixing the food with saliva to be easy to swallow. When the teeth cutting the food into small pieces, then the saliva with these small pieces of food, then tongue mixed the food with saliva. All of this mixture will be easy to swallow. What is the meaning of the word swallow? Swallow meaning the movement of food from mouth to the pharynx. As you can see, the movement of food from mouth to the pharynx. It's meaning swallowing of the food. So the parts that coming the parts that coming after the mouth, it's the pharynx. So the pharynx, when we swallow the food from the mouth, the food go to the pharynx. What is the function of the pharynx? Can you see? The food reach here the pharynx, then the pharynx push the food into the, very good, esophagus. So the pharynx push the food into the esophagus. Then we take the esophagus. So now we finish the mouth and the pharynx. Let's go to the esophagus. The esophagus, it's a long tube. This long tube is called esophagus. The esophagus contains muscles. These muscles push the food into the stomach. Very good. So, mouth, cut the food into small pieces or grinding the food, saliva with the food, tongue mix the food with saliva to be easy to swallow. What is the meaning of swallow? The moving of the food from the mouth to the pharynx. Then the pharynx push the food to the esophagus. Then the esophagus push the food to the stomach. Okay, let's go to the stomach. Okay, can you see the stomach? What happened inside the stomach? At the first, we must know that the food is still in the stomach for hours to get digested. Okay, the food is still in the stomach for hours to get digested. What is the function or the job of the stomach? Number one, mixing the food with the digestive juices. What is the meaning of the digestive juices? The parts of the digestive system form juices. These juices help in the digestion of the food. These juices, we called it digestive juices. Number two, it changes the food into liquid. If you eat a piece of meat, then your mouth cut this piece of meat into small pieces. Okay? When they reach the stomach, they are solid. But the digestive juices in the stomach digest these small pieces of meat and make it simple and change it into liquid. So the digestive juices changes the food into liquid inside the stomach. See, the muscles of the stomach pushes the food to which part? To the small intestine. So what is the function of the stomach? Mixing the food with the digestive juices. Why? Because the digestive juices are changing the food into liquid. So that's the two functions of the stomach. Then the stomach push the food into the small intestine. But don't forget, when he asked you the organ in the digestive system in which the food is still for hours, it will be the stomach. Okay? Okay, thank you for listening. Primary 4, Miss Hiba Ahmed was with you.